YouTube, it's me again. What have I figured out? Well, first of all, I got a thing in the mail from over the pond. And so far what I figured out about this is there's 3 Abingtons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 King Dick ones. There's this company, which is Girder, number 91. I can't read the rest of them. There's some unknown one that's been horribly abused. And then there's this stack of ones that, the difference between the King Dick ones and the ones that just say steel are right here are enclosed. This is the difference I've noticed. Plus these look like they're bent to shit. They all look like they're bent, every one of these things. See, they're all bent. The King ones seem to have stayed intact, most of them. Some are fused shut. But for the most part, the King Dick ones. This one is the total basket case on the top. I might have to like do a couple of spot welds on it and bang it back in piece together. But should come out good. This one's missing a screw, which is fine. These are pretty cool. They're like, this is like the smaller version of this rusty thing, which is pretty neat. And these Abingtons, I have 3 different sizes. A number whatever. This one's a number 2 and this one's a number 3. So these are pretty cool. I'm going to clean these up and try to get them nice and clean. This looks like a Ford tractor wrench. It's made in England, because I have one very similar to this. This one's fused shut, but hey, it's fine. It looks very similar to this one right here. See? Same style wrench. Only this one's a lot cleaner, and this one's ugly as you know what. So, in fact, I think I have a bigger one right here. Hold on. Let me put this back here. Oh, that's not it. That's a weight for wrench. So anyway, that's what I got new. Just thought I'd show you. This is the original King one I have, which I use all the time. I would like to get some gun blue and clean these up and blue them back. So this one is like, this one's in nice shape. Look, it's nice and clean. It's well kept. It was probably cleaned up and polished. It's got some dings and zings, but does the job. I'll have to peen it back together. So anyway, that's it for the King Dick and the Abingtons and the unknowns and the whatever this is and whatever that is. That's it for that. Thanks for watching this video. I got something else new.